are going to see about a very interesting project of automatic hand sanitizer along with the non-contact temperature sensor. So this is a system. So this system consists of automatic hand sanitizer, and inside the sanitizer box we have assembled the setup for measuring the IR non-contact temperature sensor along with the display output, audio playback output and buzzer output. So this system consists of two microcontroller boards inside. One is PIC based microcontroller for activating the sanitizer dispenser. Okay, and again that board, for that board you can also tune the output flow rate. That is how much liquid you want, you can tune by using the control given in the side. And another microcontroller it has is Atmega 328P microcontroller for getting the data from the non-contact temperature sensor and showing that data in the display, and also to activate the playback module. Inside it has the playback module, APR playback module, which will activate the sound in the speaker placed in the side of the box. And also it has the buzzer for alert conditions. So whenever your body temperature is normal, it will say your body temperature is normal, and whenever your body temperature is above 100 degree Fahrenheit, it will say alert, your body temperature is abnormal, along with the buzzer sound. Okay, and also it will show the temperature value in the display. Okay, so this is the system. It has everything is integrated inside the sanitizer box itself. Okay, and it has a solenoid for opening the sanitizer liquid from the vessel to the user hand. Okay, and we can tune the how much liquid we need by using the control given in the left side. So this system basically consists of a PIC microcontroller based automatic sanitizer dispenser using relay output, and then also it has the Atmega 328 microcontroller for controlling for getting the data from the IR temperature sensor, non-contact temperature sensor, and also to drive the playback module, and it has a buzzer, and it has the pot for controlling the output flow of the liquid. So inside the box we have the two microcontroller board. One is the PIC based microcontroller board for controlling the automatic sanitizer separately, and another one is the Atmega based microcontroller board for getting the data from the temperature sensor and showing the data in the display, activating the playback module through speaker. So for that, and also buzzer alert. For that we have the another microcontroller. So this is IR sensor. This is TSOP IR sensor, so that it will not be affected by the sunlight. This is TSOP IR sensor, and we have the 4-digit.
Your body temperature is normal.
4-digit LCD LED display. So, and you have the speaker here, and you have the control here. So whenever we go in front of the system, it automatically measure the temperature and show the temperature. Okay, and for liquid dispense, what we do, we keep the hand below the system. It will automatically, you can see the light, green light is glowing, right? So whenever the green light glows, the automatic hand sanitizing, that is the sanitizer liquid, will be dispensed. You can hear the relay sound. Okay, and whenever you keep hand in front of the temperature sensor, it will measure the temperature and display in the display, and also along with the audio output.
Your body temperature is normal.
So this is how it will measure. Okay, thanks for watching.